Starbucks here by Columbia Tower. The plan today is to do the art walk. I don't know if it's happening because it is raining. It probably is happening. Just waiting for a homie to come by and we'll be doing the magic then. We'll see how it looks like or what happens. Cool.
So this one is technically
Just the whole thing.
the whole thing is
Screen. And is that true for the other one?
yeah. So the wireframe is still sculpture. But
Great to think about.
So how do you hear about these events?
Our walk is a thing I just known forever. It's always a thing. And it's always like, should we go, should we not? And it's like, I don't know. And yeah, I just know it's been a thing forever, so.
I mean, might as well experience it all.
Should we go like that? I know that's, but there's still some on the side, I think.
Is that like a bendy straw that has like a glow star on the edge of it?
Straw? Yeah, it looks like a regular straw.
You know, like the glow. Did you ever have like the glow in the dark stars that you put in your room?
No, yeah, I know about that.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
like this.
Yeah, I took my. Oh. I love ones where it's like anime inspired.
Mario movie.
Oh, he's gonna kill him. Oh, is this like cute little silver?
You gotta put on your shower towel.
To hang in your shower.
Yeah. It's fun.
Oh, it's a search party.
Oh, search party.
Or like it's people.
This is the iceberg. When the Titanic came, it sank.
Yeah. It's like, oh, like you can see it right there sinking, right?
Yeah, it's out there, yeah. Yeah, somewhere out there.
Dare to let go.
I thought it was a monkey, but it's like a dude in a mask. It's like a green eggs in ham, you know?
But it's not green eggs. It's like
It's like steak eggs and ham.
Mm-hmm.
That's what that is.
I see.
This is our favorite type of art, right?
This is what I need.
Yeah, this is sophisticated.
That looks just
Sophisticated art right there.
if I put it like in my living room, do you think people would be like, oh yeah,
Yeah,
she's living life.
they'd be impressed by that.
Yeah. She loves detail for good reasons.
Yeah. They'd be like, what is this part of? And you'd be like, I don't know. It's art.
I mean, it's only 200.
Oh, it's a deal. So like if you buy it, you have to carry it out right now?
I guess so.
Or you come back for it another day?
Probably give it to a homeless guy and be like, here you go.
There you go. This right here, this is when you're looking for the right emoji on your phone.
Yeah.
You can't find it.
It's not like one is not like the others, right?
Exactly, yeah.
Which one is the? You gotta count all the polka dots now.
Exactly, yeah.
One has 12. One has 13.
What's up?
It's pink.
Oh, I thought you were looking extra close like you saw some magic.
I thought it was the print.
Oh, okay.
All paint. How did they get it looking so good?
You just tape stuff down, right? And paint and tape. You know, like you probably like
Did they tape it up or they just tape it?
maybe you have like a lot of I don't know. That's what I would guess.
What is that, a sloth?
The sloth, yeah. What is this? The sloth slept so long that the snakes went through it.
If I can just like buy from here to right there, that'd be perfect.
You just want a section?
Yeah, just a section. Again, you can't afford maybe like 2 blocks actually.
Maybe like
but,
one triangle?
well, yeah, one single triangle. You're right, baby. Just this one right here. This one.
Yeah, no, I don't even mean the whole triangle. I just mean like one side of the triangle.
Yeah.
That's all I can afford.
You let me know if you have any questions.
Oh, no, you're good.
If you're figuring it all out. Great.
Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah.
Thanks.
This land is your land. This land is my land. To the Californias. To New York Island. I don't know how it goes. From the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters, this land was made for you and me. Was it though?
Oh.
Did you ask yourself that question?
Are you asking that as a regular person or as a Mexican?
I want piano. You want one hit.
What's going on, guys? We here at the restaurant rubbing after the art walk randomness. I did meet up with the homie eventually.
Hello, hello.
So what do you think of the art walk? I've been there before. I saw all of it before. It was the exact same art. I was underwhelmed. So what did you think of the art, for sure?
I mean, I thought it was good. It was a good experience. I
Thought it
liked.
was good?
Yeah,
Okay.
it really spoke to me.
Okay, yeah, there's a lot of abstract art, a lot of like, what the hell is this? A lot of a blank wall, and then we look at it and it says $4,000, and we're like, oh, okay, this is art. So yeah, definitely worth checking out. Glad we have fun checking it out. Hope you guys like to see the randomness. I might edit this, we'll see.
Let's try it.
What's going on, guys? We at 13 Corners. We got the chicken fettuccine and the chicken marsala.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, we about to grub. Food's looking pretty bomb.
You can